Hello, and welcome to our channel. Ever wondered, where did that Facebook draft I just saved go? We've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to find your saved Facebook drafts. First, open your Facebook app and start creating a new post, just like you normally would. Now, if you try to exit before finishing, Facebook will give you this prompt. Click Save Draft. You'll immediately receive a notification like this. This is your gateway to your saved draft. Click the notification. This will take you right back to your draft, where you can continue editing. There are two important things to remember about Facebook drafts. First, Facebook only keeps your drafts for 3 days. So, don't forget to finish them. Second, as we just showed you, the easiest way to access your drafts is through that notification. So, keep an eye out for it, because drafts are not available on the Facebook menu. So, that's it. Now you know how to find those elusive Facebook drafts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.